Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Meghalaya State Watershed and Wasteland Development Agency kabahap hopok kejengkmi jangka Tnat Soil and Water Conservation haka khandai truk leber aratar pausan kal ajim pinsha chikinong rap Kumno Tyngkai ya kena makin dubla ban penenkam ya haka por telang barang terkong kesun beneng. Ya watershed Yatra awareness lepas menampai Paidbah dari Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla kebakmi ya Tnat karep karyang ke Dr. Ampri Lingdo ke bolong kongsan bat ke peliru ya yo ya dia thiet lawanra dari kinhuan self help group beper naga Jilla ya ke penlong pelau jung State Central Library Shillong.
Take the following oath that I will conserve land and water in my fields and village and will also make people aware about it. That I will contribute to creating and maintaining water conservation structures in my village such as percolation tanks, check dams and farm ponds. That I will carry out plantation and punting in my fields and water bodies to prevent soil erosion and degradation. That I will use rainwater harvesting and groundwater recharge methods in my fields and at my home. That I will adopt sustainable farming practices and efficient irrigation methods and encourage others to do the same. Thank you.
This will not just create an awareness, but it brings together the local communities and empowers them with knowledge and tools that they need to involve themselves in this great movement. It has to be a community-driven movement. And on the other side, as you can see, the producers of all of our SHGs today stands testimony that investment in the community is valuable and that it will yield the correct approach and results that we need urgently in the state of Meghalaya. This Yatra is a call to action. Action not just by government machineries or its line departments and various other partners that come together on this common platform, but it is for each of us. It is not only about understanding the importance of water conservation, but it is taking action and pledging together that we will take action and we will not ignore all of the activities that are slowly engulfing the communities and their environments, thus ensuring that we hand over a today to tomorrow's community to ensure that they too become partners and recipients of this very same water conservation. Today, we are able to reclaim barren land and reuse it, improving soil quality, improving nutritional value of our soil so that farmers may gainfully build on a farming practice which will sustain their livelihoods. As Sir Zoram has already said, we have constructed 1,390 water harvesting structures of 3,000 hectares, and this will be a lifeline for so many communities that are facing this acute water scarcity during the lean period. Today, climate change, deforestation, land degradation, urbanization, and pollution pose the greatest threat for our water securities. These factors are not just causing scarcity, but also affecting water quality, leading to health risks and agricultural losses. engage with the community, we give them tools, we teach them various procedures so that all of this conservation will enable us to maintain the green coverage across the state, which is so important, especially in the debates of climate change. In Meghalaya, SWCD is implementing the KSY WDC 2.0 program.
PUE bangidon ya kata ka Yatra ka water lani ban kersoy ya ka ban Tyngkai ya ka ban pendangkam ya ka teknologi da ka bangi tray rengkat pat kini ki SHGs ki badai lupa ki nongrem ki badon ya ka kam hakanun ya kanu karukom ban shimbenta ha ka jing rep the PUE ba kani ka fund menta ka wan na ka government of India na ka to ka designated fund ban ngiyale ban pentre kam ya kani ka water conservation program da ka bakiya tray lang ki departments ci butri yung ka agriculture and farmers welfare yung ya ka soil and water conservation ka irrigation nilek lang ru ya ka veterinary hakabangi engage ki livestock projects tingi Hikai ya ki communities lemba kini ki SHGs Kumno bakin shimti ya ka ba penne pensa ya ka kajela jungi kedai kajela ka ba yo you slap ubajurtam reitang lawan ka portlang PUE ba nimla bandon ya ka tu ka multiple cropping laningin pendon kam da ka system ka banginum don tang uway ujat jingmi na ka way ka bri rei kindon shibon kitu ki jingmi na ki babon teli ki jingthong ka bangi Hikai ya ki farmers menta bakin le ndai bandon shu ka to monocropping tinrei lada fikran ya ka jing pen Hikai ya ki farmers bakin sedang bandon shibon teli ki jingthong ha ka sisnem hape ru baka umpat ka don di menta ki methods ki baper kabangi yale ban ni Hikai ya ki farmers Kumno ban pelang penne pensae ka nang ba ki farmers jungi ki nongrep ki jungi ki nungdon kanu ke jing ban yo ban ai jing empat ya ki jing thong ki jongki kani ka yatra kadai ka national yatra borok ko ke India ki don lang ya kani ka program nado si tarik umaj hado lai ko way tarik umaj sa dagang paklamangan aka state jungi ngin penwai ya kani ka program aka artrik jung April ban ki departments borok ki yang milang ha ka jukapor ban pet ya ki interventions lani ki rukom penne ya kani ka umbat ka may mariang ki baper tingi Hikai ru ya ki nongrep ba kin involve ya ladikin ndai ka sarkar morway ka bala panle gini PUE bangi ai ya ki mang Tyngkai siya ki SHGs ki FPOs ni ai ya ki khot ki laki jong ki turteng makin yarap ya ka sarkar ban tray ya gani ka PUE ba ka result kalong ka ba seso But PUE baki farmers juni haba ki display ya ki produce ki products ki chunki ki mar ki bami na ki kper ki chunki ki lakham stan ki lakham seiso but ki lakham yo ka chikin ka bablan ke ni aya ki ya ka investment ki lipai shi ki dong shnong chunki but ni Paidbah ba kani ka program ngin pentelun kamdai ban kun ni dei ban empower bet iki ini ban enhance bet ya ka capacity building jungki nang bang ninyo ya kata karoi kapa kaban kata ya iwe nong song stop kamdai ka top down theory ndrei ka don bottom up theory kamot nang te ngin trei lang ngin tei ngin penkiu ya kayo kokot jong kinong jong most of them are very good.
Local. This goes white.